Welcome back to Tech Hunter. I'm Syed. Friends, sometimes the same contact number gets saved 2, 3, or even more times on our phones. As a result, the contact list becomes messy, and the same name appears repeatedly. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily find duplicate contacts and merge them with just one click. So let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Then tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Now, tap on Manage your Google account. Now scroll down and find the People and Sharing option. Tap on it. Then scroll down until you see Contacts. Tap on Contacts. If you see the Stay on Web option, tap on it. Your Google Contacts list will now open. Now tap on the 3-line menu in the top left corner. Find and tap on Merge and Fix. Here, Google will automatically detect and show your duplicate contacts. If duplicate contacts are found, you'll also be able to see how many duplicates are available. Now tap on Merge Duplicates. Here you'll see contacts with the same number or other duplicate information. You can tap Merge to fix each contact individually. Or if you want to merge all duplicate contacts at once, tap on Merge All. Within a few moments, your duplicate contacts will be merged. That's it. Now the same contact number will no longer appear repeatedly in your contact list. Your contacts will look much cleaner and more organized. So friends, this is how you can easily merge duplicate contacts on your phone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Let me know in the comments. Did you have duplicate contacts on your phone? Share this video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to Tech Hunter for more useful technology tips. I'm Syed. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.